travel vlog it is. This time, take a guess and see yourself. Close the door. Or not. It's a bungalow. Hammocks. All are hints. Okay. Wish good luck at the shrine. See some plans. These are crucial hints. Okay, now secret passage. Whoop, whoop. Fine. Okay, this is also quite good. Next hint. Only in Cambodia. Okay, so you all guessed right, of course. We are on the beautiful island of Koh Rong Samluem, if I pronounced that right. And yeah, this island is quite quiet and yeah, not much inhabitants, really relaxed, cool island. And we found the special hidden beach. We avoided the main beach and found a hidden beach, which is called the Sunset Beach, essentially because the sun is setting like there, and you definitely have to check out our beach. It's like no one is living here. We have like 10 visitors, 5 dogs, 5 really relaxed cats, and some resorts. Bungalows are just somewhere there, hidden behind the trees. The water looks quite nice. We spent some cool days doing kayaking and stand-up paddling and snorkeling and stuff, and yeah, I think you can live here forever and ever. Okay, and now let's say hello to the fishes. If I see some. No. Okay, let's do this.